Hi guys! So in this video, I will teach you how to get Snapchat on PC. So in order to do that, let's head into our browser and type in the URL box, the web.snapchat.com. Let's search for it. Let's wait for it to load. And once we're in here, you can see that our URL has redirected to accounts.snapchat.com. And in here, you just need to put in here your username or email. So let's put in here our username or email. So let's put in here. And then after that, just click on next. Then it will ask for your password. So let's put in here our password. And then as you can see that the Snapchat is actually asking if this is us. So in order to do that, we need to open the Snapchat app and confirm that we're trying to access on the Snapchat web. So in order to do that, you just need to head over to your phone and make sure to respond that you're trying to access in here. And then click on yes on your phone. And then this will log you in on your Snapchat. And as you can see right now, mine is reloading since I already enabled it. So you can see in here that we can create a Bitmoji. So let's click on get started. And it is actually gonna ask you to use your camera and your microphone. So in order to do that, let's just click on allow, click on got it, and then click on allow again because this is for notifications, but you can also choose to block that. For me, I will block that. And then you can click this camera in here to send snaps, and as you can see, we successfully used Snapchat on our PC. So that's it. I hope you learned a lot from this video. Make sure to like and subscribe if you love this kind of content. Follow for more.